First method, add someone else's calendar. From your Google Calendar, in this left-hand menu, scroll down and come to this Others Calendar section. In here, click this plus icon and select Subscribe to Calendar. Enter their email address. And then you will see their calendar if they share it with you. We can see the calendar successfully added inside other calendars. Now you can select the calendar from here to see. Here's the second method. Add calendar via link, URL or iCal. All you have to need, click on this plus icon for other calendars. This time select from URL. Paste here the calendar link or iCal link and click on add calendar. And here we can see the calendar successfully added. Going back, and here we can see the calendar added. You can also import calendar. You can just click this plus icon and select import, and now click on upload and go ahead and upload your calendar in ICS or VCS or CSV format. Thanks for watching.